What is Java? Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language designed to be platform-independent, which means code written in Java can run on any device equipped with a Java Virtual Machine (JVM). Developed by Sun Microsystems in the mid-1990s, it emphasizes ease of use, performance, and security. Key characteristics of Java. Platform independence. Java code is compiled into bytecode, which can be executed on any platform with a JVM, allowing developers to write code once and run it anywhere. Object-oriented. Java follows the principles of object-oriented programming, OOP, focusing on concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation, promoting code reusability and modularity. Automatic memory management. Java features an automatic garbage collection system that helps manage memory, freeing developers from manual memory allocation and deallocation. Strongly typed. Java is a strongly typed language, meaning variable types are strictly enforced, which helps catch errors at compile time. Rich Standard Library. Java provides a comprehensive standard library that includes utilities for tasks like data manipulation, networking, and user interface design, making development faster and easier. Multi-threading. Java supports multi-threading, allowing multiple threads of execution to run concurrently, which is essential for developing high-performance applications. Security. Java includes built-in security features such as a security manager and bytecode verification, making it suitable for networked applications and sensitive data handling. Applications of Java. Web development, used for building dynamic web applications and services, example with frameworks like Spring. Mobile development, the primary language for Android app development. Enterprise applications, common in large-scale enterprise environments due to frameworks like Java EE, Jakarta EE. Embedded systems, utilized in various devices and embedded systems. Game development, some games and game engines use Java for their development. Development environment. Java development typically involves the Java Development Kit, JDK, which includes tools for compiling and running Java programs and can be complemented by integrated development environments, IDEs, like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans. Overall, Java's combination of versatility, community support, and extensive libraries makes it a popular choice for developers across different domains.